When you get a life insurance policy, final expense to cover burial or cremation, when they say it's a graded policy, what does that mean? Graded policy means if you happen to die within, the reason an agent or a life insurance policy issue graded policy because the client may have, there's preferred plus, which means they're super healthy. There's preferred, and there's whatever the option is, average, I guess. They all call them different, so it doesn't matter. So if your health is average, which means you're taking medication or you've had previous health issues or pre-existing conditions, it's not up to the agent. The agent can't do nothing about it. It's just we follow certain health questions, and based on the answers, the insurance carrier decides whether you have a graded policy or immediate issue. I think that's what it's got. I don't know why I keep forgetting these terms. It doesn't matter. There's so many terminology. So it's either your policy is going to start today. If you make the payment today, your policy starts today. But if you have a lot of health issues, we have to issue graded policy. Graded policy means if anything happens to you the first year, you would get, if you get a graded policy, you get whatever premiums that you paid into the policy. If you paid, 12 payments of $100, so if you happen to die within those 12 months, you would get your $1,200 back. At the second year, you would get $2,400 plus 10%, I believe. And then if you die the third year, you would get the face value, which is the coverage. If the coverage is $50,000 and you happen to die or get sick or illness or car accident or any kind of accident the third year, you would get the full face amount, basically your insurance coverage. Again, these policies are only issued to people that have pre-existing condition or very poor health. If you're a preferred client or preferred plus, we can do, or I can, the insurance company can do, I don't know, I can't think of the word, I'm so sorry. Anyway, so that's what definition of graded policy. There's 3 different kind of policy. On this video, I want to talk about graded policy. Graded policy is for people with pre-existing conditions, and the insurance companies that refuse to insure them, basically. Call me, my number's on the screen if you want to get a burial insurance. Thank you.